Welcome to the tutorial video. This is Jai Gallo with Platform, and in today's video we are going to be talking about updating your members' email. There are a bunch of different reasons that you might want to update your members' email. Either they asked you through support to change it for them for some reason, or you want to just change their account. But today we're going to show you that you can update your member email. If at the end of this video you have any trouble updating your members' email, or you have any questions about anything else inside of Platform, navigate to the support hub in the top of your creator account, and you can scroll down through all of the FAQs. These are drop-down menus, and you can check out what's inside. You can also click chat with us, and you can chat with us live if we are online. If we're not, you can submit a ticket, or you can click help docs at the top, and it's going to take you to our knowledge base, where you can go more in depth about the features that Platform has to offer. If for some reason you have an online business and you do not have a Platform account, I suggest you go to platformarea.com and get yourself a free trial today and find out if it's right for your business. Now back to the video on updating a member email. This is real easy. Scroll over to the Members tab, click Members, then select the member that you want to adjust their email by clicking on the green Edit icon. You can see that there is an email field here with their current email and a field here for a new email. So we're going to change this guy's email to something else. So I've entered in a new email, and I'm just going to click update, and then I'm going to refresh. And now you can see the member Albert Einstein has had his email updated to jai@platformarea.com. So let's do that one more time by changing it back to what it originally was. We click in the field, enter in the email, and hit update. Then refresh. And as you can see, it changed back to the original email that we had for Albert Einstein. Now he will be able to log in with that same email and the same password that is saved right here. That's how easy it is to update a member's password. If you have any questions, hit us up on chat. But until then, I will talk to you on the next video.